Hello there, I'm Sophie and welcome to my channel. So, you want to sell print-on-demand t-shirts on Etsy, but a lot of people are doing this and we often hear that this niche is too saturated and that there are too many shops competing and selling shirts. So, in today's video, I want to research the best low competition t-shirt niches you can get into in 2021. So let's dive into it. As usual, I'm using Marmalade. You'll find a link in the description of this video if you want to check out this cool tool as well. So let's get started. You want to start by typing in your main keyword in Marmalade's search feature to see if shirts are a product that people are searching for and not buying. As you can see, there's a lot of searches, a ton of engagement, and a lot of competition too, unfortunately, for t-shirts. First of all, that's a good sign that this can be a profitable niche because a lot of people are doing it, so that's a great. Now let's look at engagement over time to see if this is a seasonal niche or a product that people are buying all year round. So when we scroll down here, we can see that t-shirts are selling all year round, especially around the summertime. So July, August, September, October, November, even near the end of the year, people are buying holiday shirts. So, and then again, January, February, March. So this is a really cool niche because you can sell t-shirts to anyone about any topic all year round. Great. Okay, but what kinds of t-shirts do we want to create? There's a ton of niches you could go into. Let's look a bit further here to see what Marmalade suggests. Okay, so this first one is all green, but it is a Spice Girls t-shirt. Now, a quick warning, this is something that you want to stay away from because anything that has to do with copyright infringement, so Disney shirts, specific movies, band names, NASA shirts, those are all things like this Stranger Things shirt, Lady Gaga shirt. You will often find that these shirts are high search, high engagement, but also low competition. And you might think, wow, that's a cool shirt. I want to create that one. But I would stay away from it because when Etsy sees that, they can shut down your store. And then, you won't ever be able to open a store in the future. So that is not something we want. We want to find niches that are evergreen, no copyright infringement. So let's stay away from this Spice Girls t-shirt, for example. This is a great one, oversized t-shirt. So a lot of searches, a lot of engagement, a lot of competition, but I want to add that one to my t-shirt list to look into this further because it might be a good one. Let's say we start a shop with only oversized t-shirts, for example. That will be really cool, really specific for a specific type of buyer. So when they find your shop and they find all oversized t-shirts, they will be in heaven, in t-shirt heaven. And that is what we want. Okay. So what else do we have here? Let's scroll down to see if there's any long tail alternatives. Again, Game of Thrones shirt, big no-no. David Bowie t-shirt, no-no. Comfort Colors t-shirt. I don't really know what that is, but it seems like a good niche. I'm not sure if this is a name of something, but okay, Frida Kahlo t-shirt. Why not? Fleetwood Mac, band name? No. B t-shirt. Okay. So let's add that one to the list. Okay. Great. So we can see that there are many different t-shirt niches that we can go and create print-on-demand shirts for, but how can we find the best one for us? So what I like to do is go into the Storm feature, which is a really cool tool inside Marmalade. It helps you discover products with low competition, high demand, and engagement in just a few clicks. Okay, so what we want to do is feed the keyword tool or the algorithm of this Storm tool the right keywords that we want to research. So I'm gonna add everything that has a t-shirt, every keyword that has a t-shirt in it, I'm gonna add it to this column over on the right so that the tool can give us even more. T-shirt blanket, no, that's not really t-shirt design, no, t-shirt man, yeah. So that the tool understands what we're really looking for. So it will give us only t-shirt keywords in the end. So these are all keywords that we don't want. This is one we want, okay. We don't want this, okay. No necklaces, shirt, sweatshirt, t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. Okay, and as you can see here, when we scroll all the way down, this tool, whenever we indicate if we want something or we don't want something, this tool will keep coming up with new suggestions until it runs out. So it's really great to find low competition keywords and niches. So let me go through this and see what I can find for you. Okay, so like I said, what we want to look for is all green symbols, which indicate that there's a lot of search, a lot of engagement, so people liking and buying the product, and not too much competition. So this is the ideal that we're looking for. But the next best thing is, for example, this one here, where we have the first two symbols green, so lots of searches and engagement, but also a lot of competition. So what I like to do when I find niches like these is dig deeper into them, because I want to see if there's a niche within the niche. For example, I'm sure there are specific nurses or specific types of nurse shirts that we can find where there will be less competition. So yeah, I want to look into that one. So I'm heading over to search here and typing in the keyword, so nurse shirts, to see what comes up. Oh, this would be a great one. A nurse graduation gift. Long tail keywords, lots of searches, lots of engagement, and lots of competition. So maybe we can make a nurse graduation shirt, for example. I'll have to research a bit further, but let's come down here. Okay, funny nurse shirts. Okay, so these are quite specific, but also great. For example, NICU nurse shirts. So NICU is for the babies who were born prematurely. Then they go to the NICU department. I'm not sure how you pronounce it in English, but NICU. There's only 148 people competing in this specific NICU nurse shirt niche. So yeah, this would be a great shirt to design because there's not a lot of competition. So, but if there's not a lot of searches as well, but if someone finds your shirt, you make a good chance of someone buying it because the competition is really, really low. I didn't really find the gem that I was looking for, but I have some other niches in mind. So let's look at some dad shirts. Lots of searches, engagement, competition. Great. And oh, bingo! This is what we want to see. Dad and baby matching shirts. Okay. So now imagine that you only have an Etsy shop with matching dad and baby shirts. How cool would that be? So someone that's looking for that specific product and that finds your shop will only have to choose from all your different designs, but they will almost certainly buy from you because you have a specific shop for their specific search need. Yeah, I would totally add this one to the list. So what are you waiting for? This is really great. I think it can do really, really well on Etsy. That gifts from daughter, not really specific shirts, but we have what we were looking for, so great. Okay, another great one, cat dad shirts. So you have the mom dog shirts and you have the cat dad shirts. Quite a lot of competition, but look at that engagement and quite a few searches, so not bad at all. Then underneath we have autism dad shirts. So again, really specific niche. So people who are looking for this shirt know what they're looking for. So if they can find your shop that only sells autism dad shirts, for example, I'm sure that they will check it out. So let's add that one to the list as well. Great. Okay, so how about dog shirts? Lots of competition there. I'm sure you came across dog shirts on Etsy. They're all over the place. But I want to look into maybe specific people or specific dog breeds that we can sell dog shirts to. Let's see here. Okay, so custom dog shirts. Lots of competition. Everything custom, personalizable is really, really hot on Etsy. So if you can find a good niche to get into, I would certainly do that. Let's add that one to the list. A dog groomer shirt. Okay, that's a nice one. Look at that, only 624 people competing with you. Quite high engagement. A lot of searches. Not green, but orange is still okay. Yeah, I like that one. Dog Hawaiian shirt. Okay, I think this would rather be a shirt for the dog itself, not for the owner. Dog shirt, Big Brother. Oh, okay, that will also be a t-shirt for the dog. Dog dad shirt. Let's see. Okay, these will be the best ones that we can find in this niche, but I want to look for maybe specific dog breeds. I think that would also be a good idea. So how about Labradors? Labrador or lab shirt? Okay, so only 5,000 people competing. Engagement is somewhat low, but not below 25, so that's good. And searches are above 25, so it could be worth looking into. Okay, so how about a specific color lab, a black lab, for example? So I'm gonna look that up, a black Labrador. So that's even more specific. All right, so quite a lot of competition, but high engagement, quite high searches, so great. Black Labrador gift, black Labrador shirt, black Labrador arts, cards. Okay, look at that, very low competition and quite engagement is okay, searches are okay. So yeah, there you have it. There's your second $1 million store filled with all kinds of shirts and gifts and products for owners of black labs. So what are you waiting for? Go register that shop. I bet you that Black Labrador Lover, for example, is still available as a store name on Etsy. Okay, so I didn't want to make this video too long, and so I continue doing research off camera. And here are a few other gems that I discovered. So let me show you. How about country music shirts? So a shop selling to only country lovers. How about this one? Gender reveal shirts. That would be a cool niche. Botanical shirts. Cool, huh? So as you can see, there's lots of niches where you can get into, lots waiting to be discovered within Marmalade, but you can also do your research in Etsy itself by typing in a specific search terms into the search bar to see what people are looking for, and then see how much competition comes up. But I prefer using Marmalade. It's great, it's quick, you can really find some nice ideas to explore further, and products to add to your Etsy catalog. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. If you want to get all of these cool t-shirt niches that I discovered, there's a lot more that I'll be listing in a list that you can find in my Etsy shop with the best t-shirt keywords for Etsy sellers. So go check that out. I'll put a link in the description below this video. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which topics or products you want me to research in my next videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!